Alright everybody, welcome to our channel. I am back with a new tutorial, and for today's video I'll show you guys how can you create a Netflix account on phone. To create a Netflix account on phone, you could follow these simple steps. So first of all, you want to make sure to install the application. Be it your iPhone or Android, the creation process will remain the same. So head over to your respective app store. On the search box, type in Netflix. When you type in Netflix, click the install button, and it's going to take a couple of seconds, and you just have to click on the open button. Now I'm not using an application as due to some security concern the screen will go black, so I am going to use a browser version. However, the procedure will remain the same. So for the browser, you want to type in netflix.com, and then you want to click on the .com option. As soon as you go to this section here, what you want to do is click on get started, but before that, enter in the email address that you want to create your account with. Now here then I am going to go ahead and create my account with this particular account. So this is my email address. Click on get started, after which you want to go ahead and you want to click on the next button. Here you have to go ahead and create a password. Once done creating a password, make sure to mark on the terms and condition underneath and click the next button. As you've done it, so you'll be asked to choose a plan, so click on the next button. So basically you have different options. So here you could go ahead and follow any of these plans, whichever is convenient for you. Now I'm gonna go with the mobile version and then click the next button. As soon as you've done it, so step number 3 is to pay or choose a payment method. So as per the payment method, you could either provide a debit card, credit card, or any of these. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Now type in the credit card information such as your card number, expiry date, CVV, and name on the card. After which, make sure to mark on the terms and condition right at the bottom and click on start membership. It's going to take a couple of seconds in order to get you a notification through an email stating that you've successfully activated a Netflix account and you're ready to watch. So that's the way you could create a Netflix account on phone. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.